Today, we're drawing Invincible! I'm QJO. Let's draw. Let's start with the face. Draw the first eye as a tilted oval, nice and wide. Now add the second eye on the other side. Right between them, draw a tiny little nose with one short curved hook. Then finish this step with a simple smile underneath. Just one soft curve, and the face already looks super cute. Now let's build the face shape. Start on the right side and draw a smooth line coming down from above the eye. Then curve it inward to form the jaw and the little chin. Next, move to the other side and draw the left cheek line, curving it down until it meets the chin. Great! Now add the left ear. Keep it simple with one soft, rounded shape. Inside that ear, add one small curved detail so it feels complete. Then add the ear on the other side, matching the size and keeping the shape nice and clean. From above the left ear, draw a short line going upward to begin the top of the head. Now connect those two sides with one long line across the top to finish the head shape. Under the left eye, draw a long inner line dropping down toward the cheek. Finish with the matching line under the right eye. And just like that, the face is all set. Let's start the hair from the top left side of the head. Draw a short little line sticking up to begin the shape. From that line, build the left side of the hair. Curve up. Now continue from the top and sweep a big curve across the head. Bring it over to the right and finish with a soft pointed tip. From that tip, curve the hair back down toward the right side to close the outer hair shape. Great! Now add the first inner hair opening on the right side. Make it look like a pointed curved shape. Near the middle, draw the next inner shape. This one looks a bit like a tiny wavy W. Then add the last inner opening on the left side, matching the style of the others with a sharp, clean look. Finally, fill in the rest of the hair with solid black, and leave those inner shapes white so the hairstyle really stands out. Now let's move down and draw the neck. Add one soft curve right under the head to make a short, rounded neck. From the left side, add a short shoulder line to begin the top of the outfit. Keep it small and simple. Next, build the right shoulder. Curve it out wider, then bring it down in a soft bend. Go back to the left side and draw the body line downward from the shoulder. At the bottom, shape a small center point so the torso tapers in nicely. Then bring the other side of the torso back up toward the right shoulder to close the outer body shape. Now add the inner collar line, curving it neatly around the neck. Inside the torso, draw a long line down the left side to create the first panel of the suit. Finish with the center line running down the middle of the torso, and the body base is all set. Now let's draw the left arm. Start at the shoulder and pull a short line out to begin the arm shape. From that line, continue the outer edge of the arm downward in one smooth curve. At the bottom, round it into a small fist. Keep it simple, with just a little notch for the hand detail. Then draw the inner edge of the arm back up toward the shoulder, and just like that, the left arm is done. Now add a curved body line behind the left arm, starting under the shoulder and pulling it down toward the side of the torso. Then draw one short line near the waist to finish this side panel of the suit. Nice and clean. Now let's draw the right arm. Start at the shoulder and pull a short, curved line outward to begin the arm. At the end of that arm, draw a small, rounded fist. Keep the shape simple and chunky. Finish by adding a few short finger lines on the fist. And now, the right arm looks strong and ready for action. Now let's draw the left leg. Start from the lower body and pull 2 long lines down to build the leg shape. In the middle of the leg, add a rounded knee panel to give the suit a cool superhero detail. At the bottom, round it into a simple boot shape. Keep the foot soft and easy. Next comes the right leg. Start from the other side of the waist and curve the thigh out to the side. Add a small rounded knee panel on the front so it matches the other leg. Finish with the lower leg and a tiny foot pointing down, and now both legs are done. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!